Can a full-size, three-row hybrid SUV actually save you big money in real-world driving? You've probably seen the EPA estimates, but what matters most happens in everyday city traffic and highway miles. Does the Highlander Hybrid cut your fuel bills enough to justify its higher price tag and still feel confident on the road? Welcome to AeroNext Auto. By the end of this video, you'll understand whether the 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is simply a greener choice or a smart long-term investment for families and daily drivers alike. The 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid stands as Toyota's answer to families seeking three-row SUV comfort but with reduced fuel costs. 5-liter four-cylinder engine with a hybrid system, offering a smooth and dependable blend of performance and efficiency. On the outside, the Highlander Hybrid keeps the well-proportioned SUV shape that Toyota buyers have come to expect. Its design is calm and confident rather than dramatic, reflecting a vehicle built for real-life use rather than show. Standard LED lighting, aerodynamic lines, and clean bodywork create a look that fits both city streets and highway cruising. This isn't a flashy SUV, it's a purposeful one, designed to be familiar to families who need three-row space without excess bulk. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that reinforces this everyday purpose. The seating is comfortable for long journeys, and the interior materials balance durability with a sense of quality. Visibility from the driver's seat is strong, which matters when navigating dense traffic or backing out of tight parking spaces. Toyota's infotainment system is intuitive, placing a responsive touchscreen and connected features within easy reach. Higher trims add larger displays and more creature comforts, but even base models deliver a solid, no-nonsense experience. Under the hood, the Highlander Hybrid's heart is its hybrid drivetrain, which pairs a gasoline engine with electric motors to deliver a combined output that's both efficient and confident. According to manufacturer estimates, this setup returns around 35 miles per gallon combined, a notably better figure than comparable non-hybrid three-row SUVs. In everyday driving, whether stop-and-go traffic or cross-state cruising, this efficiency translates into fewer stops at the pump and lower monthly fuel expenses, addressing a key concern for many buyers who compare hybrid costs to gas savings before purchase. Toyota also engineers this hybrid system to feel seamless on the road. Acceleration is steady and responsive, without the abrupt transitions some hybrid systems exhibit, giving drivers a smooth sense of confidence as they merge or pass. All-wheel drive is standard, enhancing grip when weather or road conditions get challenging. For families who value safety and reassurance on every journey, this balanced performance underscores the Highlander Hybrid's appeal.
Technology and features in the Highlander Hybrid support modern ownership needs without overwhelming the driver. Smartphone connectivity, voice controls, and intuitive driving aids help reduce distractions during commutes or long trips. Practical touches like ample storage cubbies and thoughtful user interfaces make each ride more convenient, allowing the vehicle to fade into daily routines rather than interrupt them. Safety remains a significant benefit here as well. Toyota equips the Highlander Hybrid with its suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. These tools do more than boost safety scores. They reduce driver stress in heavy traffic and long-distance driving, enhancing the overall comfort and confidence families feel behind the wheel. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid enters a competitive mid-size SUV segment with a realistic range that reflects its hybrid capability and feature content. Base hybrid trims typically start in the upper $48,000 range and can rise toward $56,000 or more for fully equipped Platinum models, representing a premium over gas-only Highlanders, but aligning with consumer expectations for hybrid value. This premium is justified for many buyers when weighing the long-term savings in fuel and the added confidence of standard all-wheel drive and hybrid reliability. The 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid proves itself as more than a greener alternative. It's a thoughtful, family-friendly SUV that offers real cost savings, comfort, and capability. Whether you're handling daily commuting, school runs, or long weekend hauls, its balance of efficiency and confidence makes it a strong choice in the three-row hybrid category. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AeroNext Auto for more honest, cinematic automotive guides and real-world ownership insights.